Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing. Today is Wednesday, the 28th of February, 2024. Let's start with the synoptics. Hey, it's not cooperating today. Okay, good. Synoptics. So this is midnight last night. There's an occluded front sitting over the top of us last night and moving through to midday today. The occluded front has moved off across the channel, and we have a warm front that is approaching this, carry on through the day. And this is midnight tonight. And you can see the fronts are very slow moving. The cold front has only just trickled across the south of the coast of Kent. And it's hot on its heels is a cold front. Look at the satellite picture. And that is that front moving across with a great big slab of rain behind it. And rain radar should show a similar picture. This is a 2-hour window. Each of these jumps is a half-hour, 30-minute increment. Looking at the rain forecast from the Met Office, it's a similar picture, but just scrolling ahead, looking at their predictions. That is 11:45, and that is 1 o'clock, and that is 2 o'clock. Okay. Right, the public forecast, and so they're anticipating rain by 3 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock. The cloud base looks like it's actually coming down. It was a little bit higher when I arrived on site this morning, and it's just come down a little bit. I would guess about 800 feet, but we're going to have a look a bit later. Temperatures 9 degrees, feels like 7. Fairly light winds, southwesterly. So if we are able to come out, we will be on runway 23 with cables on the east side, on the left-hand side. We'll need a little bit of correction to the left. Winds gusts 14, 17 knots, increasing as that front moves through. Visibility moderate to good. Moderate means below or up to 10K. Humidity 80%. This is what it looks like at 10 past 8. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh, it's still there. It looks about 800 foot cloud base. Okay, let's go to METARS and TAFs. And this is Odium. So it's overcast at 1,000 feet at Odium. Remember, they're about 300 feet lower than us. And the TAF, which is fairly recent, Odium, broken clouds, 1,200 feet, temporary till 2 o'clock, and few at 1,000, temporary until 11 o'clock, visibility 5K, scattered clouds at 400 feet. So it's not looking the best day. And this is actually Gatwick. Farnborough wasn't renewing. It's an hour ago. Scattered clouds 1,500, visibility 5K, broken clouds 600 feet, and I think that Gatwick is about 150 feet AGL. Sorry, above sea level. And this is SkySight for Wednesday. So we have cloud right the way through the day. They're predicting rain also around 3 o'clock. Thermals kind of irrelevant. Absorbable height is kind of irrelevant. It's confirming temperatures and dew points 8 and 7 degrees, and wind gusts about 12 knots. So they're all saying exactly the same thing. Look at the Lasham weather station and see if that's temperature and dew point at the moment. Fairly close together. Temperature is 6.8 degrees outside. So radiation, they had a little bit of sun yesterday. Temperature is fairly, pressure is fairly stable. Wind speed, it's now 3 knots, gusting 4, which is about what it was yesterday. And yesterday it went up to 10 knots, gusting 25. And Cloudbase 700. And this is rain, this is the important one. So there's been no rain for the last 24 hours. So we shouldn't have any problem landing on the grass. No TAMS, I don't think that's relevant today. And let's go to the airfield setup. The movements and notices. Charles and Nigel are our star instructors today. Gliders availability, we've got 775 has just come back online. So we now have 321s and 213s. The Grob, the SH6 is the only one of the 4 available, and the Discuses are all good. Movements, nothing confirmed. And if we don't fly, then the simulator is available all day, and there are a lot of exercises we can do on that. Airfield setup. So the wind direction is I think it was 210. So we'll be on runway 23 with the winch down there, cables coming up the left-hand side, the east side, air towing from the grass on the west side, on the right-hand side, landing on the grass on both sides, and winching from the runway, not on the grass. If we find that the grass is dry enough, then we can move the winch operation onto the grass. We'll take a view at the weather and the cloud base, and get moving as soon as we can. It's definitely going to be raining this afternoon, but we may get some flying in this morning. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you out there.